Hello, English 100. This is your quick tour of the syllabus. Every college class has a syllabus. It's basically a summary of the course, rules and regulations, that kind of thing. You can find the syllabus in the Introduction to the Course module. Here in Canvas, you can see I have divided it into 3 parts. In this video, we're not going to go over every word of it because it's long, but I'm going to point out some highlights. First, college composition is a writing class. Everyone has to pass English 100 in order to get a degree. And college composition, English 100, is designed to help you become a strong college writer. 2 basic things about the course. 1 is that you will get lots of support. I will work with you one-on-one. I will give you feedback on your writing. I will help you in any way I can. Also, we have a tutor embedded in English 100S who will help you as well. However, English 100 is a big time commitment. You need to budget 9 to 11 hours per week for this one course. That means about 3 or 4 hours each week for the modules, which is the class element, and then 6 hours a week for homework. So 3 or 4 hours a week for class, 6 hours a week for homework. It'll vary some, but it is a big commitment, so you need to make sure that you have the time. Okay, our books. You probably already know that you need to get our first book, Educated, right away. Most of the reading for the course will be in these 2 books, and so I hope you like them. All right, we're not going to go over everything, as you can see. You will see a communication page in Canvas, so it'll be easy to get in touch with me. All right, let's look at this. So every week we'll have the same schedule, more or less. The short version is homework due Tuesday, classwork due Thursday. So the weekly module is what we're calling class for an online class, and you have to have the module done by Thursday. But you do the homework first, which is normal for a class. So the homework is due Tuesday anytime. The weekly class module is due Thursday anytime. We also have an optional 30-minute meeting in TechZoom Connect Monday morning at 9:30 or 10, depending what section you're in. This is optional. You're not required to be there, but you might like to see people now and then. And so if you'd like to see people or get a better handle on what we're doing, you can come to this 30-minute meeting and I will go over what we're doing that week and answer your questions. Okay, so 30 minutes Monday, optional. Homework due Tuesday, class module Thursday, and then the module for the next week, the following week, will be posted by Friday. And we will follow this schedule all semester. And we have 16 weeks in the semester. Okay, this is a summary of the whole semester. So if you look at the first few weeks, you can see that we do a bunch of reading for 3 weeks. And then we start on Essay 1, rough draft. I give you feedback on the rough draft, I help you with the essay, and then the final draft is due at the beginning of October, week 7. After that, we start on our second book, Between the World and Me. We read for a couple weeks. It's a shorter book. We write the rough draft. You get help revising your essay. Then final draft. You can see how it goes. So this column is all the reading, and this column is the essays. And you can also see I put in the in-class essays. And that is our schedule for the whole semester, which ends in December. Okay, you can find this in Canvas and you can study it. This is the big picture. All right, policies and grading. It is important to look at this chart. you can see there's 3 major essays. And the final draft of each one is a big chunk of the total course grade. So that means you have to cut the mustard on each essay to pass this course. And then we have the 2 in-class essays, which means basically you get a day to do it. If we were in person, you would do it during class. And then we have rough drafts, and then the weekly module is basically 1% each week. Okay, so these are the major grades. Notice that there aren't any big tests. This is a writing class, so the grades are about your writing. And we're not going to look at the fine print. You can read that on your own. And you can see I have various policies, rewrites, late work, etc. You can read that on your own. And that's all I can think of for the moment. I hope that quick tour helps you. You can read the rest of the syllabus in the first module of the course. Thanks.